Hello friends, I hope you all are very well. Today we are going to discuss about some interesting facts of our known universe. Today we will talk about the biggest, smallest, hottest and coldest exoplanets and also the planets of our own solar system. Apart from this, we will also discuss about the largest and smallest stars that are ever discovered. Before starting, please like on this video and subscribe the Creativity and Education Knowledge channel. So let's start the video. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. This planet has a mean radius of 69,911 kilometers, which is about 11 times the radius of the Earth. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, with an equatorial radius of 2,439.7 kilometers, which is about 3 times less than the radius of the Earth. In some earlier videos, we have discussed about Jupiter and Mercury in details. The links are given in the description box. You can go there and watch it if you want. It is thought that HT 100546b is the largest exoplanet among the planets discovered so far. An exoplanet means a planet outside the solar system. This planet is a gas giant, which is only 10 million years old. It has a radius 6.9 times larger than the Jupiter, which is approximately 485,000 kilometers, and its mass is equal to the mass of 752 Jupiters. This exoplanet is 320 light years away from the Earth. This planet was discovered in the year of 2014. This exoplanet is orbiting the star called HT 100546. The distance of HT 100546b is 53 astronomical units from its star. So, this exoplanet takes 247.697 years to orbit its star. Among the exoplanets, Kepler 37b is the smallest planet that have been ever discovered. It was discovered in February 2013. This planet is slightly larger than our Moon, and its radius is only 2,255.3 kilometers. It is a rocky planet and it is 215 light years away from the Earth. This planet is 5.66 billion years old. Kepler 37b is an exoplanet orbiting the star called Kepler 37, which belongs to the Lyra constellation. Kepler 37b is orbiting its parent star at a distance of about 15 million kilometers. So, this exoplanet takes only 13 days to orbit its star. Being so close to the star, its surface temperature is very high, which is 427 degrees Celsius. Now, we will learn about the hottest planet in our solar system. It is Venus, the second planet of our solar system. Its atmosphere consists mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid droplets. This thick atmosphere traps the sun's heat, resulting in surface temperature higher than 470 degrees Celsius. Apart from this, Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. The average distance of Venus from the Sun is 108.77 million kilometers. That's why this planet gets more heat from the Sun. In an earlier video, we have also discussed Venus in detail, and the link is given in the description box. As the planets in our solar system get further away from the Sun, they generally get colder. So Neptune is the coldest planet in our solar system. It is the 8th and final planet of our solar system. Its average distance from Sun is 4.5 billion kilometers, which is near about 30.1 astronomical unit. According to the Earth's time, this planet orbits the Sun once in every 164.8 years at an average speed of 5.43 km per second. As of Earth's time, Neptune has a day of 19.1 hours. Neptune is an ice giant. Its surface temperature ranges between -218 degrees Celsius to -200 degrees Celsius. The radius of the Neptune is 24,622 kilometers, which is 4 times wider than the Earth's radius, and its mass is 17 times the mass of the Earth. Its mass is 1.024 into 10 to the power 26 kg. In the year of 1989, NASA's Voyager 2 became the first spacecraft to observe the planet Neptune. Neptune's atmosphere is consist of 80% of hydrogen and 19% of helium. Other components like methane and water ice crystal was also found in Neptune's atmosphere. Methane's gaseous composition absorbs the red light coming from the sun and reflects blue light outward, which gives the planet its blue color. Neptune's atmospheric storm velocities range from about 1200 miles per hour. Neptune has a core which may be consist of iron, nickel and silicate, and the temperature here is about 5400 Kelvin. Neptune has 14 moons and Triton is the biggest among them. The hottest exoplanet is Kelt 9b that have been ever discovered. It is located about 670 light years away from the Earth. This planet orbits the star called Kelt 9. Kelt 9b is a relatively large gas giant at about 2.8 times the mass of the Jupiter. Though its radius is nearly twice that of Jupiter, its density is less than half of that Jupiter. According to the Earth's time, this planet takes only 1.5 days to complete one orbit of its star, which is Kelt 9. Because the distance of this planet from its star is only 0.0362 AU. This planet is also known as ultra-hot Jupiter. Being so close to its star, its surface temperature reaches 4300 degrees Celsius. This makes Kelt 9b the hottest exoplanet so far discovered. Its temperature is even more than some stars. This planet is tidally locked with its host star, so this planet always has the same face towards its star. The surface temperature of the Sun is approximately 5505 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature of Kelt 9b is close to the temperature of the Sun. Due to high temperature, the solid elements are converted into gases in this planet. In the day side of this planet, because of the strong radiation of its star, hydrogen molecules in the atmosphere break down and turn into gaseous form. When the hydrogen molecules move to the opposite side or in the night side, they form a gaseous tail. As a result, the planet looks a lot like a comet. In the night side, hydrogen molecules are reformed due to lower temperature. But when they reaches day side, they take gaseous form again. According to the scientists, OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB is the coldest exoplanet discovered so far. This planet is also known as Hoth. It is a super-Earth exoplanet orbiting the star called OGLE 2005 BLG 390L, which belongs to the Scorpius constellation. Hoth was discovered in the year of 2005. This exoplanet is located near about 21,530 light years away from the Earth, near the center of Milky Way. This is one of the most distant exoplanets discovered so far. This planet is possibly a rocky planet with a mass around 5.5 times that of the Earth. According to the Earth's time, this exoplanet orbits its star once in every 3,500 days at an average distance of 2.0 to 4.1 AU. The surface temperature of this planet is around 50 Kelvin or minus 220 degrees Celsius. Because this planet is orbiting a tiny cold star known as red dwarf. Because of such icy cold temperature, this planet does not have much of an atmosphere, with most of the gases frozen solid and layering as snow on the ground. Now, the Sun may be appear to be the largest star in the sky, but that's just because it's the closest. The largest known star in the universe is UY Scuti, a hypergiant with a radius around 1,700 times larger than the Sun. UY Scuti extends over an area of about 10 AU. This star is located in the Scutum constellation. UY Scuti belongs to the Milky Way galaxy, and its approximate distance from our Earth is 5,219 light years. Its surface temperature is approximately 3,365 Kelvin. According to the scientists, this can be a metal-rich star. UY Scuti is a red supergiant star. This type of stars usually form when a star runs out of hydrogen fuel in their core and begins collapsing. It is assumed that EBLM J0555-57AB is the smallest star discovered so far. EBLM J0555-57 is a triple star system which is approximately 600 light years away from the Earth, and EBLM J0555-57AB is the smallest star in this system. It orbits its primary star EBLM J0555-57AA with a period of 7.8 Earth days. Its diameter is approximately 120,000 kilometers, and its surface temperature is near about 6,000 Kelvin. This star is slightly larger than Saturn, but smaller than Jupiter. We end today's video here. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment on this video and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.